happen.
You guys are embarrassing.
I just noticed that too.
Oh, this is in.
I just thought that was right.
Okay. So the first thing you want to do on these is you want to get it in standard form, or standard-ish form. So I'm going to want to get that 40w squared on the other side, and I want to get that negative 80w on the other side as well. So what do I have to do? So I'm going to have to add the opposite of the 40w squared to this side. I'm going to have to add the opposite of the 80w to this side as well. I'm just kind of sticking it all in one step just to save time and space. Okay? And go ahead and put it in declining degree order, meaning the largest exponent goes first, followed by the next, followed by the next. And that's going to equal 0, because these guys just basically clear out. So far so good. It's not really standard form, but standard-ish form. The next thing you're going to look at, what we're doing is we're building on what we did Monday. The next thing you're going to do is look at the three terms and decide, do they have anything in common?
Right there.
5 and a W. So what you're going to do next is pull out the common factor. So if you pull 5W out of 5W to the third power, what do you have left?
W squared.
W squared. Minus 5W out of 40W squared?
8W.
8W. Perfect. 5W out of 80W. Well, what's 40? 16, because 40 would be, and then twice it. Good. So we've got one of our factors. How do we find the other ones? How are we going to find
that.
Factor this. Factor what's inside the parentheses. Multiply 1 times 16 and get 16. What do you multiply to get to 16 and add to get negative 8?
4.
Negative 8.
Negative 4.
Negative 4 and negative 4. Those go in these boxes.
Look, it's bleeding from around. Oh, I got a band-aid. You want a cookie?
So if we have 3 negatives, what do you know?
It's a tape.
They're going to be negative.
This is going to be negative, and this is going to be negative. If this is W squared, obviously these two are going to be W's, right? So what do negative 4W and 16 have in common?
4.
What are their common factors? 4.
Oh.
4.
What do negative 4W and 16 have in common?
4.
4.
4.
Oh.
You have your factors. They're 5W, W minus 4, and W minus 4. And those equals 0. So set each of your factors equal to 0. 5W equals 0, W minus 4 equals 0, and W minus 4 equals 0. So what does W equal in this first factor?
0.
W equals 0. What's W minus 4 equals 0? What does W equals?
4.
4. And here W also equals 4. So the factors of your problem here are 0 and 4. Thank you.